Packing for Belize adventure. Research and plan ahead. Make a list of essentials like lightweight clothing, bug spray, sunblock, and snorkeling gear to ensure a smooth trip. Pack light and smart. Opt for versatile items such as quick-dry clothes, a compact rain jacket, and a sturdy pair of water shoes for various activities. Protect your skin. Pack a high SPF sunscreen and a wide-brimmed hat to shield yourself from the intense Belizean sun during outdoor adventures. Prepare for rainy days. Include a waterproof bag to protect your electronics and documents from unexpected downpours in this tropical paradise. Insect repellent is key. Mosquitoes are abundant in Belize, so pack strong insect repellent to prevent uncomfortable bites while exploring the jungle. Don't forget your travel documents. Ensure you have your passport, flight tickets, travel insurance details, and any required visas in a secure and accessible place. Include some cash. While credit cards are widely accepted, having some Belizean dollars on hand for small vendors or tips is always handy in remote areas. Get ready for the unexpected. Pack a basic first aid kit with essentials like bandages, antiseptic wipes, and any prescription medication you may need during your trip. Thanks for watching.